this is Himoja. This is Vidisha. We have made a robot by using Atmega 16 controller, and this is USB to TTL device. It works on USAT serial communication protocol. It consists of basically 5 pins. One is connected to the power supply, and another is to the ground, and another is connected to the receiver, and other is connected to the transmitter.
And now we are controlling this robot using a remote basically, and this remote will be consisting of an IR sensor, and whenever we'll be pressing the key, the IR rays will be transmitted to the receiver. You can see it over here, and this receiver will be consisting of 3 pins, and these 3 pins are like they are mentioned here. One is plus 5 volt, and one is this is the receiver pin, and this is ground, and this plus 5 volt is connected to the 5 volt of this microcontroller, and ground pin is connected to the ground, and this out pin is connected to D0. And here you could see the LCD, and these are the pins, and these pins are connected to port B, and also the motor connections are given to port C, and whenever we will be pressing the button 2, the hex code of this 2 is generated, which is 0x81, and whenever we will be pressing 2, the motors will be rotating in the forward direction. And whenever we will be pressing the button 4, and it will be having a hex code of 0x83, and when we press this key, it will be rotating the motors will be rotating towards the left direction, and in a similar manner, if we will be pressing the button 5, it will be stop, and whenever we will be pressing the button 8, it will be the wheels will be turning backward, and whenever we press the button 6, the robot will be moving to the right side.
Whatever the input we have given will be displayed on this LCD, and the robot will be working corresponding to the input we have given. You can see the demonstration right now.
We are pressing 2 and it's moving forward, and once we press the button 5, it stops, and once we press button 4, it moves to the right, and again if you press stop, it will be stopping, and when we press button 8, it moves backward, and when we press button 2, it moves to left and forward, and so on. And this is the robot which will be based on the remote controlling system.
This can be used in many of the applications, like if we see the child who plays with the toy cars, it also uses the same phenomena, and it can also be used for furthermore applications. And thank you.